Hello friends, you all know that Viday Vriksham team is supporting Hope Trust for more than 2 years, basically for two reasons. One is that they are really very sincere about what they are doing for all the abandoned children at their home, and second thing is that with a home, if you are associated for more than a year or so, you will be in a very clear position and have a clear vicinity of what they are actually doing. So right now they have taken up, Hope Trust have taken up a very big activity to construct a home at Annambedu village after Patabiram Junction for these kind of abandoned children. That particular home is having a plan of accommodating more than 150 to 200 abandoned children, and it's not just that they want this home to be a center of excellence for all vocational training. So this particular home, in the vision of Mrs. Nagarani, who is the chairman of Hope Public Charitable Trust, she wants this place to be a center of excellence and to be a pioneer in showing that these kind of children can do magics in their life. So we Viday Vriksham and you all public, please do support on this noble cause, because the budget is too high. It is close to 2 crores is what they are expecting to construct this whole building. So obviously each and every penny will save them, will help them to make this construction as early as possible. So please try to spread this message. Please try to contribute as much as possible. As of now, they have just defined something like 1700 per square feet will be the cost that can help them manage the overall cost. But it's not just we have to pay 1 square feet cost. Please see if you can do more than that, or if the worst case you cannot do it, please see at least 500 or 1000 or whatever that you can do. Please spread this message. Please help as much as possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot.